ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I am very happy to be here as a part of this big gathering. Many people asked me, why are you taking part with this? I said, this is not Virat Muslim Samajotsava. As it happens, whenever the election comes, the Virat Hindu Samajotsava happens to gather people and to mind wash and turn their emotions as a vote bank. It is Bahujan Rally. And this Bahujan Rally is not demanding an Islamic nation, but they are for secular and equality. They are demanding for equality and secularism. With this reason, I am always with PFI. I really wondered, especially about the youth. I am really happy to see you. This is the time for you to gather this kind of knowledge and ideas and to execute your ideology. I think PFI has the strength of youth. For them, I have a big applause. And on the other hand, I also can see the women, those who are the part of this, and their support. Once again, it hats off this women gathering here. You might have noticed Dabholkar was killed because he was fighting against superstitions. He was running, he was working, he was an activist in Andhashraddha Nirmulan Samiti. And Pansare, Dr. Govind Pansare, he was unveiling the truth from the history. Especially where Shivaji was made as an icon of Hindu Samaja, he unveiled and presented that he was a secular and Muslim commanders were there in his army and they were all together. And Kalburgi was killed, Dr. M.M. Kalburgi was killed, where he talked against these blind beliefs and he talked about and for these progressive thoughts. You might have noticed all this killing happened by the youth. Youth, they are between 20 to 30. These people are really didn't know about Dabholkar, Pansare or Kalburgi. They didn't know at all. But their mind was poisoned. They were mesmerized and they were controlled by somebody else. I have witnessed the same people, those who came to kill me also. After my series of writing about decoding mythology and other things, or unveiling Andhashraddha, I noticed, I spoke to the killers, they are very, very innocent. Today, some of my friends were asking, are you not scared when your life is under threat? I am not scared, but I am worried because youth are being misused. But when I am seeing the youth here, those who are raising their voice against fascism, when they are raising they are joining the voice for secularism and equality. I am really happy about you and proud of you. PFI must be very proud of this youth participation. Then, hate politics, we are talking about hate politics. This is not today's issue. It has very age-old history. RSS or Hindu Sangh Parivar, they are all having different facets. And Hedegavar not the one who started this, but he became the key person later. Of course, we can say in modern India. See, with all these things bearing in our mind, I would like to share one more thing. This politics, how it works. DCP Ganapathy was, he died, committed suicide and died. And BJP started raising their voice against Congress government. Their aim was to put down George, KJ George from his seat. Yes, of course, they did it. But soon after that, the people from BJP, those who are talking and supporting and moving around Ganapathi's family, they completely absconded. They disappeared. They were not there. Again, Mrs. Ganapathy, she was saying with a painful voice, their aim was not to console me, just making George to come down from the seat. Once it is done, they are not with them. This is how emotions are being, even they can make politics at the house of death. These kind of things we are seeing, and of course, always my interest is decoding mythology. Why I am very much interested in decoding mythology? People do not go to history. They are always mesmerized by mythology, mythological stories only. Unless and until we show them what is true behind it, the ordinary people cannot understand. Nowadays, even how Shraddha became Andhashraddha, in the same way, patriotism become the blind patriotism. You might have noticed the Muslims, always they have to prove they are Indians. They are not hating India. They are part of the country. These are the steps, every step they have to struggle as if they have come from somewhere else just today. And they are doing all the conspiracy to destroy this country. This is the scenario they have created. Now, everything is under their gauge. What is patriotism? If you hate Pakistan, you are a good Indian. If you hate Muslim, you are a good Hindu. This is what hate politics I would like to call. One more thing we can notice that otherwise they cannot stand by their own quality. That is the reason the seed of hatredness is being spread. Where I really appreciate PFI founder and organizers and president and secretary, whoever it is, everybody, because they are towards life, inclusive of people. Otherwise, they were not bothered to call us. They are not dividing people, of course. It is a kind of, let it become a voice against the people, those who are dividing people based on religion, caste, and food practice, etc. Always I wonder about Modi. I have not seen Prime Minister like Modi, one who was keeping quiet when somebody in the, killed in the name of keeping cow meat in their fridge. He was keeping quiet. After many days, he opened his mouth. That too, you might have noticed one more funny or his crazy move. When Dalits were killed or tortured, he could say after some time, you can shoot me, not the Dalits. I could see a kind of a joke moving around in WhatsApp and Facebook. He would always say that camera people, shoot me, not Dalits. That is a real and a proper analyzation, I feel. He says, he warns against the Nakali Gorakshak. That means there are Asali Gorakshaks. He is promoting and standing by Asali Gorakshak. Who is real Gorakshaks and who is not real Gorakshaks? Many questions arises here. You might have noticed one more thing. When Kabir was killed in Dakshin Kannada, he was carrying cows for the slaughterhouse. He got all the license, but still he was killed, mistaken for something else. These are all planned in such a way. Dakshin Kannada has become a laboratory for their plans and execution. Recently, last year, there was a guy, Bajrangi activist, who was killed, who was murdered in Moodbidri. Then we were called to talk about it on channel debates. There, they could straight away blamed, targeted and appointed PFI. PFI is the reason for that. PFI killed that Bajrang activist. When there was such kind of a voice, they were very eager to spread that and debate over that. Later, they came to know there was no PFI involvement, but their own fellow worker, activist, Bajrangi activist himself, he killed them. But that news was not, it didn't come out as it was rising before. Even the medias were under the control of that right-winged people. There are many incidents we are witnessing every day, and it is also time for us to be united, and we have to identify our common enemy or enmity, which is like a virus spreading among our own people. Anyhow, I am very happy to be with you here. And one more thing I wanted to share with you. Before me, a speaker was talking about this yoga and pranayama. And for their information, I would like to tell that it is not a part of Hinduism, or it is not a religious thing at all. It is a tribal exercises which have from the beginning. it was hijacked and it is added up some mantras and they are using in such a way. This yoga and pranayama is not a part of religious activity. And one more thing, we have very clear vision. That is, we are not against Hinduism. We are against Hindutvavadis. That we have to make it very clear, and we are in that right path. Of course, what can I say? When I am with you and you are with us, we have very clear vision. Let us go ahead, and I congratulate PFI here having such a kind of a wonderful organization. I can understand this. It is not so easy to organize this much. That effort and pain I can see here. Wonderful to be with you. Thank you once again. Namaste.